Hello friends, I'm Jagdish Park Associate. Today's topic is thermodynamics. So in thermodynamics, I will be explaining a numerical problem from the chapter Second Law of Thermodynamics. And this numerical problem was appeared in the IES paper 2017. So before going to this video, please press the subscribe button of our channel, the Mechanical Engineers team, and also click the bell icon so that you will get the notifications for new videos. Okay, so let's begin. First I will read the question. A heat engine working on the Carnot cycle receives heat at the rate of 50 kW from a source at 1300 Kelvin and rejects it to a sink at 400 Kelvin. The heat rejected is A 20.3 kW, B 15.4 kW, C 12.4 kW, D 10.8 kW. Now I will analyze the question. There is a heat engine. The working principle of the heat engine is Carnot cycle. The heat engine receives heat from the source. The temperature of the source is 1300 Kelvin and the amount of heat received from the source is 50 kilowatt. The heat engine utilizes 50 kilowatt of heat to produce work output. But entire 50 kilowatt of heat will not be utilized to produce work output. Only certain portion of 50 kilowatt of heat will be utilized for producing work output, and the remaining portion of heat will be rejected to the sink. So in this question we have to find the amount of heat rejected to the sink. Okay, and the temperature of the sink is 400 Kelvin. Now I will list out the given conditions from the question. First, heat supplied to the heat engine, which is 50 kilowatt and it is taken as Q1. Second, temperature of the source is 1300 Kelvin and it is taken as T1. Temperature of the sink is 400 Kelvin and it is taken as T2. By using these three conditions, we are going to find the value of amount of heat rejected to the sink. Now I will move to the solving technique. Amount of heat rejected to the sink is taken as Q2. For finding the value of Q2, we have to use the formula of efficiency of heat engine. And the efficiency of heat engine has two formulas. And the formulas are neta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1 and neta is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1, where neta is the efficiency of heat engine. So here, take neta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1 as equation 1 and neta is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1 as equation 2. In equation 1 and equation 2, LHS are same. So we can equate equation 1 and equation 2. By equating equation 1 and equation 2, we get 1 minus T2 by T1 is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1. 1 in the LHS and 1 in the RHS will get cancelled. So the next step will be minus T2 by T1 is equal to minus Q2 by Q1. So here the negative sign in the LHS and the negative sign in the RHS will get cancelled. So the next step will be T2 by T1 is equal to Q2 by Q1. Now bring this Q1 to the LHS. We get Q2 is equal to Q1 into T2 by T1. In this formula we know the values of Q1, T2 and T1. So just substitute the values. By substituting the values we get Q2 is equal to 50 kilowatt into 400 Kelvin divided by 1300 Kelvin. In this RHS, 400 Kelvin divided by 1300 Kelvin is 0.3076. So the next step will be Q2 is equal to 50 kilowatt into 0.3076. So in this RHS, 50 kilowatt into 0.3076 is 15.4 kilowatt. So the next step will be Q2 is equal to 15.4 kilowatt. Okay. So Q2 is equal to 15.4 kilowatt is nothing but the amount of heat rejected to the sink. So the solution is B is the right answer. So you can see here among these four options, B holds the value of 15.4 kilowatt. So the correct option for this question is B. Okay, so this brings an end to the explanation part of this video. I hope you all would have understood. If any doubts are there, please do comment in comment box and remember to like, share and comment on our videos. Thank you friends.